In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the colors of Trello cards, adding a personal touch to your boards. Whether you're organizing a personal project or managing a team, giving your Trello cards a fresh, colorful look can help with better visual organization and make your workflow more enjoyable. To get started, first head over to Trello.com in your preferred web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll see a login button prominently displayed on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this button will prompt you to log into your Trello account. You can choose to sign in with your email address or opt for a more streamlined process by using your Google account, depending on what you previously set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello homepage, which showcases all the boards you are a part of. Navigate to the top menu and click on Boards. This will direct you to your dashboard where all your boards are listed. Next, focus on the section labelled Your Workspaces. This is where all the boards for different projects are organised. Now select the board you want to work on. To do this, simply click on the board's title or the preview image and this will take you straight into your selected board. Within your board, you'll notice that it's organised into lists, each containing multiple cards. Identify the specific card whose colour you want to change and click on it to open the card's details view. Once the card's detail view pops up, look for the cover option, which is usually on the right hand side in the card menu. Click on cover. This feature allows you to personalise your card with different colour options or custom images. After clicking, you will see a variety of colour swatches you can choose from. Selecting a colour is simple. Just click on the colour you wish to apply and your card will immediately update with your chosen background colour. Additionally, you can select the size of the card cover. If you'd like the colour to cover the entire card, giving it a bold appearance, select the full size option. If you prefer something more subtle, opt for the smaller cover, which adds a splash of colour to the top portion of your card only. And there you have it, your Trello card is now personalised with a new colour. This simple customization can dramatically improve the aesthetic and functionality of your Trello boards. Not to mention, assigning different colors to various projects or priorities can help you quickly identify tasks at a glance. So go ahead, experiment with different colors and create a visually appealing board that suits your personal style. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy organizing with your newly colorful Trello cards.